Meghalaya BJP is reaching the grassroots to understand the issues of the state and get suggestions to be incorporated into its 2023 election manifesto. As part of the exercise, senior BJP leaders of the party are already meeting Rambashnongs of various localities to seek their views on important issues. According to the Meghalaya BJP President Ernest Mauri, the party's state leaders will meet civil society leaders and groups to get a clear idea on the important issues that need the state's immediate attention, which will then be compiled and incorporated in the manifesto. Informing that the party manifesto will be in two parts, he said that the first part will highlight the local issues and agendas, while the second part will be on national issues.
Agenda in manifesto that is local and even national also. You see, we have got our intellectual wing also, and we are taking the view from all the mandan and from the state leaders, from the district leaders, and from our leaders also. So taking all together, and we are sitting, then we will check out the important points to be implicated in the manifesto.